guys, katambak tayo guys. Nag-wait and wait tayo guys. Pa kasing kumain na squid guys. Ayan, alright. Katambak. Alright guys, ayan guys. Lapo-lapo guys, grouper. Ayan, grouper guys. Good size guys. Alright. Ayan guys, nag-awa sila guys. Wait and wait. Saan naman eh? Alright guys. Ayan guys, one spot snapper guys. Alright. Alright guys, ayan guys. Nakakanoping tayo guys. Dito tayo sa Peaceport guys. High tide kayo guys. Yan guys, rak-rak guys, dulpo guys, abot ang dagat diri guys, mana namin diri kuan guys, gabaha guys. Alright. Yan guys, paidi na guys, anong isda to guys? Mangagat or managat? Saan ni?
Kani, ito na yaw.
Sangit na yan, nakakuha. Alright. Mbot, saan nga lang ganyan o kailan mangagat guro, saan Alright. Alright guys, good size kay guys. Uli ni father guys. Wow, alright. Yan guys. Malalaki guys Alright. Alright, good morning guys. Update sa atong huli karon guys, Saturday morning. Alright guys, ayan guys Sari-sari store guys, sari-sari. Ayan, grouper. Ayan, snapper. Kanuping guys. Tapos mga aluman. Matambak. Alright guys, ayan guys. Nice. Alright.